Welcome everybody to Content Engineering.
What is content engineering? It is the manipulation of content in an environment in order to ensure that it reaches the people that it needs to reach, and it's an integrated strategy that looks at the content creation process from cradle to grave.
Content engineering is the activity of taking content and making it sing and dance.
In many cases, the content engineers are really mediating the relationship with machines and the content and the meaning of the content. We are having to work with that connection point between the content and the systems that consume it.
The way that I usually define content engineering is that it's a practice that enables us to, by the proper structure and markup of content, ensure that it meets customer needs.
Our professional career is changing from where we were 20 years ago when we started writing content in Word or FrameMaker or PageMaker. And now we are thinking about systems, interfacing, semantic web ontologies. So the whole business is changing, which is a challenge, but it's also big fun.
We are dealing with content, often very complex content, and the content engineering activity takes those strategies and helps them to become real.
We can't engineer in a vacuum. We're engineering for presentation, we're engineering for delivery, we're engineering for all of these things that we have to bring together.
I and my team really start considering content first from what the user is trying to do with that content, and then work our way back into how we need to structure the content and tag it to support that need.
And we apply that when we apply a content strategy, either top-down, when we have modeled metadata and content structures, and then we apply that to the content. So we call that content engineering.
On this edition of the Content Order Roundtable, hear real-life senior content engineering professionals share their approaches. How do they tame the difficult challenges many content leaders face? Listen in for insights, tips, and stories. These leaders are making intelligent content come alive every day. Join the discussion as we explore the path to bringing strategy and structured content together into working reality. Enter the Content Order for the full roundtable.